Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wireless Tutor. Dear friends, this video will be very much helpful for all of the government examinations. In this video, we will discuss 50 most important questions of Microsoft Excel. These questions have high importance for your examination. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Look at the first question. Microsoft Excel is a powerful dash. Here are the options. Option A, word processing package. Option B, spreadsheet package. Option C, communication SW package. Option D, DBMS package. The right answer is it is a spreadsheet package. Go to the next question. Excel files have a default extension of. Here are the options. The right answer is, the first one is the right answer. Option A, XLSX. And what is the extension for MS Word? That is .docx. Now go to the next question. An Excel workbook is a collection of dash. Workbooks, option B, worksheets, option C, charts, option D, worksheets and charts. The right answer is worksheets and charts. Look at the question number 4. Which area in an Excel window allows entering values and formulas? The answer is formula bar. Question number 5. Which symbol must all formula begin with? Here are the options. The right answer is equal to sign. Next question. The first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as A1. Option B is the right answer, A1. Next question. Excel displays the current cell address in the dash. Formula bar, status bar, name box, title bar. The right answer is option C, name box. Next question. The name box, option A, shows the location of previously active cell. Option B, appears to the left of the formula bar. Option C, appears below the status bar. Option D, it appears below the menu bar. So right answer is option B. The name box appears to the left of the formula bar. Next question. Question number 9. What is the shortcut key to hide entire row? The right answer is option C, Ctrl+9. Next question. A worksheet can have maximum dash number of rows in Excel 2019. Option B is the right answer, 10,48,576. Then how many columns are there in maximum? That is about 16,384 columns. Now go to the next question. 11 number question. What is the shortcut key to replace a data within a sheet? The right answer is option C, Ctrl+H. Now question number 12. What is the shortcut key to highlight the entire column? Option D is the right answer, Ctrl+spacebar to highlight the entire column. Next question. Question number 13. The software which contains rows and columns is called? Option C, it is a spreadsheet. Now, question number 14. What is the symbol for dividing? Option A is the right answer. This is the symbol for dividing. Now, question number 15. What is the symbol of multiplying? Star mark is the symbol for multiplying. Option D is the right answer. Question number 16. Which key do you press to check spelling? Look at the options. F7 is the key we need to press if we want to check spelling. Question number 17. Question number 17. Where a row and column meet, what do you call that? The right answer is SL. So option A is the right answer. Now go to the question number 18. Which chart can be created in Excel? So area, lines, pie chart. So all of these can be created in pie chart. So right answer is option D. Now next question, question number 19. Ctrl+D shortcut key in Excel will dash option A open the font dialog box. Option B apply double underline for the active cell. Option C fill down in the selection. Option D none of the above. So option C is the right answer. If you press Ctrl+D, then it will fill down the selection. Now question number 20. In order to perform a calculation in spreadsheet, you need to use a option A table, option B formula, option C field, option D variable. So right answer is option B formula. Next question. Look at the question number 21. Which of the following is not an option of selling dialog box? So the right answer is edit. Edit is not an option of the spelling dialog box. So next question, question number 22. Which of the following option is not located in the page setup dialog box? Here are the options. Option A page break preview. Option B page orientation. Option C margins. Option D headers and footers. So the right answer is page break preview. Now go to the next question. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? Here are the options. Number, character, label, and date or time. So the right answer is option B, character. Now go to the next question. Hyperlinks can be a text. Hyperlinks can be drawing object. Hyperlinks can be picture. So all of the above is right answer. Now question number 25. In Excel by default numeric values appear in option A left aligned, option B right aligned, option C center aligned, option D justify aligned. The right answer is option B right aligned. Now go to the next question. New comment options can be found under dash tab. Right answer is option C in the review tab. So new comment can be found in the review tab. Question number 27. In maximum, how many sheets can be set as a default file creating a new workbook? Here are the options 254, 255, 256. So 255 sheets can be set by default. Now go to the question number 28. How many characters can be typed in a single cell in Excel? Right answer is option B 32,767. Next question. Question number 29. You can activate a cell by, look at the options. Option A pressing the tab key. Option B clicking the cell. Option C pressing an arrow key. So we can activate a cell by all of these options. So all of the above is the right answer, option D. Next question. Which of the following is not a basic step in creating a worksheet? Here are the options. Option A save workbook. Option B modify the worksheet. Option C enter text and data. Option D copy the worksheet. So saving the workbook is a basic step. Modify the worksheet is also a basic step. Entering the data, entering the text and data is also a basic step. So copy of the worksheet is not a basic step. So the right answer is option D. Look at the question number 31. Data can be arranged in a worksheet in a easy way to understand manner using auto formatting. This is also right. Applying styles. This is also right. Option C changing fonts. This is also right. So all of the above is the right answer. Now go to the next question. What does the VLOOKUP function do? So VLOOKUP function finds related records. Next question. Which of the following methods cannot be used to enter the data in a cell? Here are the options. Option A, pressing an arrow key. Option B, pressing the tab key. Option C, pressing the escape key. Option D, clicking the formula bar. So right answer is pressing the escape key. Next question. Which of the following will not cut information? If you press Ctrl+C, this will copy, this will not cut. So this is the right answer. Next question. Question number 35. Which of the following is the oldest spreadsheet package? Here are the options. So VCalc, or which is called the visible calculator, is the fast or oldest spreadsheet package. Next question. Which of the following is a popular DOS based spreadsheet package? So Lotus 123 is the DOS based spreadsheet package. Oldest spreadsheet package VCalc, and DOS based spreadsheet package Lotus 123. Next question. Which symbol is used before a number to make it a label? So apostrophe is used before a number to make it a label. Next question. When creating a vertical page break, option A, the active cell must be A1. The active cell can be anywhere in the worksheet. Option C, the active cell must be in row 1. The active cell must be in column A. So option C is the right answer. Active cell must be in row 1. Next question. To create a formula, you can use option A, values or cell references, although not both at same time. Option B, values but not cell references. Option C, cell references but not values. Option D, values and cell references. So option D is the right answer. So values and cell references can be used to create a formula. Next question. Excel probably considers the cell entry January 1st, 2000 to be a label or value, formula or text string. So Excel identifies it as a value. So next question. Question number 45. Without using the mouse or the arrow keys, what is the fastest way of getting to the cell A1 in the spreadsheet? By using the mouse or arrow key, we can go to the A1 cell directly. But it is asked that what is the fastest way? That means it is asked which is the shortcut key to go to the A1 cell. So the right answer is by pressing Ctrl plus Home key. Now go to the next question. In the formula, which symbol specify the fixed columns or rows? So option A is the right answer. This symbol specify the fixed columns or rows. Next question. Question number 47. Which button do you click to add up a series of numbers? The right answer is option A, auto sum button. Next question. Which command will you choose to convert a column of data into a row? If you want to convert a column into a row, then which key must be pressed? So here are the options. Cut and paste. Option B, right click, then paste special, then transpose, then both of above. Right answer is option B. First press right click, then paste special, then transpose. Go to the question number 49. Which of the following you can use in paste special command? Here are the options. Validation, option B, formats, Option C, formulas. Option D, all of the above. You can use all of these above in paste special command. Next question. Question number 50. To return the remainder after the number is divided by a divisor. After the number is divided by a divisor, if you want to return, then which function must be used? Here are the options. So option C, mode, and the pair of lunar bracket is the right answer. We have reached the end of the video. This is all about today. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and never forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.